Womania is a flagship initiative of which platform? A. Government e-marketplace, GEM. B. Startup India. C. National Small Industries Corporation. D. None of the above. Correct answer, A. Government e-marketplace, GEM. Where was National Conference on Strategic Trade Controls, NCSTC, 2026 held? A. Chennai. B. New Delhi. C. Bengaluru. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, B. New Delhi. What is Huntington's disease that was recently seen in news? A. Rare hereditary neurological disorder. B. Nutritional deficiency disease. C. Cardiovascular disease. D. Autoimmune disorder. Correct answer, A. Rare hereditary neurological disorder. Alyssa Healy, who recently announced her retirement from all forms of international cricket, belongs to which country? A. England. B. South Africa. C. New Zealand. D. Australia. Correct answer, D. Australia. The foundation stone of India's second BSL, for biocontainment facility was laid at which place? A. Mumbai. B. Hyderabad. C. Gandhinagar. D. Chennai. Correct answer, C. Gandhinagar. Who has become the first person from Andhra Pradesh to be honored as a samurai? A. N. Chandrababu Naidu. B. K. Pawan Kalyan. C. Y. S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. D. Ganta Srimavasa Rao. Correct answer, B. K. Pawan Kalyan. Which ministry has launched the national campaign on entrepreneurship to strengthen non-farm livelihoods among rural women? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Rural Development. Artemis II mission is associated with which space agency? A. European Space Agency, ESA. B. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. C. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. D. Russian Space Agency, Roscosmos. Correct answer, C. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Which state has become the first in India to plan a chronic kidney disease, CKD, registry? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, A. Odisha. Which state government launched the ACA paid scheme in January 2026? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, A. Karnataka. Which country is the host of Second Global Summit on Blue Food Security, See the Future? A. Israel. B. Australia. C. Peru. D. Russia. Correct answer, A. Israel. The Central Groundwater Board, CGWB, is a multidisciplinary scientific organization under which ministry? A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Ministry of Earth Sciences. C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. D. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Fair's leaf monkey, that was recently seen in news, is mainly found in which region of India? A. Western Ghats. B. Northeastern India. C. Central India. D. Eastern Ghats. Correct answer, B. Northeastern India. Which country has been designated as the guest of honor at New Delhi World Book Fair, NDWBF, 2026? A. Spain. B. France. C. Qatar. D. United Kingdom. Correct answer, C. Qatar. Which state celebrated Dayan di Lohri to honor newborn girls? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Punjab. Correct answer, D. Punjab. Makara Vilakku festival is celebrated in which state? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Odisha. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. Kerala. World Hindi Day is observed every year on which day? A. January 8th. B. January 9th. C. January 10th. D. January 11th. Correct answer, C. January 10th. Which ministry has launched the district-led Textiles Transformation Initiative? A. Ministry of Textiles. B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. C. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Textiles. The Gujarat government inaugurated a cancer screening mobile unit called Asha Van in which city? A. Ahmedabad. B. Surat. C. Rajkot. D. Gandhinagar. Correct answer, D. Gandhinagar. World Hindi Day is observed every year on which day? A. January 8th. B. January 9th. C. January 10th. D. January 11th. Correct answer, C. January 10th. Dal Lake that was recently seen in news is located in which state/UT? A. Odisha. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer, B. Jammu and Kashmir. Kathputli, a traditional string puppet play, performed in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, A. Rajasthan. Somnath Temple that was recently seen in news is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Correct answer, A. Gujarat. Which state is the host of 69th National School Games 2026? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Uttarakhand. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer, B. Punjab. The Sports Authority of India, SAI, is the apex national sports body established by which ministry? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Vantai Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, D. Tamil Nadu. Which telescope of NASA recently discovered a new astronomical object named Cloud 9? A. Spitzer Space Telescope. B. Roman Space Telescope. C. Hubble Space Telescope. D. James Webb Space Telescope. Correct answer, C. Hubble Space Telescope. Where was India's first fully paperless district judiciary inaugurated? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Odisha. C. Jharkhand. D. Kerala. Correct answer, D. Kerala. Which organization released the World Economic Situation and Prospects 2026 report? A. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. B. World Bank. C. United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, UNDESA. D. International Monetary Fund, IMF. Correct answer, C. United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, UNDESA. Sagarmala Finance Corporation Limited, SMFCL, is India's first non-banking financial company, NBFC, focused on which sector? A. Renewable energy sector. B. Agriculture sector. C. Maritime sector. D. Railway sector. Correct answer, C. Maritime sector. National Investigation Agency, NIA, functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of External Affairs. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Home Affairs. Which country has become the first in the world to end traditional letter delivery after over 400 years? A. Denmark. B. Finland. C. Sweden. D. France. Correct answer, A. Denmark. Which city is currently aiming to become India's first slum-free city, with a population of 70 to 80 lakh? A. Ahmedabad. B. Lucknow. C. Mumbai. D. Surat. Correct answer, D. Surat. Design-Linked Incentive (DLI) scheme is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. B. Ministry of Heavy Industries. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Which country has commissioned an upgraded Type 050-D guided missile destroyer named Lauti? A. Japan. B. Australia. C. United States. D. China. Correct answer, D. China. The salvo launch of Pralay missiles was conducted by which organization? A. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. C. Indian Navy. D. Bharat Electronics Limited. Correct answer, B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. The Ayanur Festival is mainly associated with which tribal community? A. Toda. B. Koda. C. Kurumba. D. Irala. Correct answer, B. Koda. Orshnik is an intermediate-range hypersonic ballistic missile developed by which country? A. Germany. B. Australia. C. France. D. Russia. Correct answer, D. Russia. What kind of disease is ulcerative colitis that was recently seen in news? A. Infectious disease. B. Metabolic disorder. C. Genetic blood disorder. D. Chronic inflammatory bowel disease. Correct answer, D. Chronic inflammatory bowel disease. Desert Cyclone 2 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? A. United Arab Emirates, UAE. B. Israel. C. Russia. D. France. Correct answer, A. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The Albert Eka Brigade, which recently celebrated its 56th Raising Day, fought from which sector during the 1971 war? A. Kashmir. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Tripura. Correct answer, D. Tripura. Indian Coast Guard ship, ICGS, Samudra Pratap was commissioned in which state? A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, B. Goa. Ganga Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, D. Maharashtra. What is the name of the pension scheme announced by the Tamil Nadu government for state government employees and teachers? A. Tamil Nadu Unified Pension Scheme. B. Tamil Nadu Assured Pension Scheme. C. Old Pension Restoration Scheme. D. Contributory Welfare Pension Scheme. Correct answer, B. Tamil Nadu Assured Pension Scheme. Archaeologists recently discovered Kushanera coins and decorative stones near which UNESCO-listed site? A. Mohenjo-daro. B. Takshashila. C. Harappa. D. Nalanda. Correct answer, B. Takshashila. Which state is the host of Saras Mela 2026? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Andhra Pradesh. Somnath Temple that was recently seen in news is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Correct answer, A. Gujarat. Which organization developed the India's first homemade instrument named Dust Experiment, DEX, to detect interplanetary dust particles? A. Indian Institute of Astrophysics, IIA. B. Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, Ahmedabad. C. Indian Space Science Organization, ISSO. D. Babha Atomic Research Center, BARC. Correct answer, B. Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, Ahmedabad. Anahat Singh won which medal in the women's U-19 final at the British Junior Open Squash Championships? A. Gold medal. B. Silver medal. C. Bronze medal. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Silver medal. Which state is the host of Saras Mela 2026? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Andhra Pradesh. To crack government exams, subscribe STOLIB.z YouTube channel.